Hi everybody, and welcome to, welcome to day 18 of Waxvent. So you can tell we just stopped for a quick snack before we started the videos again. Now this was a bit of an awkward one, this was actually my patient, but it's a really deep skin plug in here. And it's really thick, dead skin on the outside. And then you've got this plug of, well, it looks like either harder skin or harder wax right in the middle. Like a little wax
present
fajita.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, burrito.
Ooh.
I don't know. It's something along those lines. Anyway, but you can see it's coming away, but with this really thick outer section. Burrito's the one that's all folded in.
But yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah. So it's coming out very slowly, but I'm trying to get this plug in the middle out so I can peel away that dead skin around the outside edge.
So white it is as well.
It's that horrible thick white dead skin layer in there, and this is quite common for this particular gent. He's been through a couple of times, so it's come through every 6 months to get this done. And you can see as I'm detaching, there you go. Look at that thick skin there. Always reminds me a bit of like a sea anemone. When you see them, they've got this kind of like thicker outer bit of skin and there's all the rough bits on the top. It's just a me thing. It's just a me thing. I'm fine. I go along with that.
I was trying to think. You on about those like things with the sticky arms, the sticky like tentacles come at the top. Yeah. I think I know what you mean.
A bit like that. Yeah.
Yeah. I can see what you mean actually.
It's quite a niche analogy, but you know, if you get it, you get it. So but I've put some oil in now just to try and ease this along because that skin is just hanging on to this canal wall. It does not want to detach. You know, and getting a good grip there. This is just the sheer force of the skin holding on, or the grip of the skin, I should say.
Yeah. It's like always super stretchy as well. That kind of that type of like dead skin, but
and when you're wiggling it back and forth, you're just detaching more of it, but it's not really loosening it up. I think if I can get this central section out, then it gives me a bit more scope to fold this around. So you can see I'm trying to reposition it here.
A bit more space then. Ooh. Come on.
Yeah, it's nearly there. It's almost there. It's almost out. You're on day 18. 7 days left to Christmas.
Yes.
There you are. See, you're on your last week, guys.
Oh.
Make sure you're good boys and girls, minds.
Steve, just got to be good.
Yeah.
Can't be on the bad list.
Yeah. You have to let me know in the comment section what's on your Christmas list this year, guys. Have you asked for anything particular for Christmas?
No, I haven't actually.
No.
A new coat.
Oh, nice.
I'm getting a new coat.
Lovely. Anything in particular?
It's Under Armour.
Oh.
Waterproof. Big thick boy. But it's got layers. So it's got like an inner layer that you can wear separately if you want to.
Oh, nice. Like detachable bits.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
There you go. I got that plug out there.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, all come out.
What have you asked for?
I haven't asked because we do like a family kind of secret Santa, so we just pick names out of a hat. So I got to buy for my my sister-in-law's partner's mum, which sounds a bit random, but yeah. So I got to buy for lovely Bev, and weirdly Bev told me, so I got to buy Bev's gift and Bev's got to buy mine. Yeah. So
perfect.
What we're gonna do is if Bev, if you're watching, your gift's no good, you're not having yours. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, so we tend to do that. Me and Mrs. B don't tend to buy for each other really. Or Christmas we just do the family things. It's a bit easier on everybody.
Oh, nice.
But
don't really need anything, to be fair.
Mrs. B did say she's got me something for my birthday, which is obviously on Christmas Eve, and she won't touch you. I got no inkling as what it is at all.
No, I don't even know what it is. I couldn't tell you. But
tell you that, do some digging for me.
I know.
It's bugging me as to what this could be. Look at that skin coming away. Yeah, just drop it casually into a conversation.
That's a really good peel, actually.
That was it came away really. We got sidetracked with birthday presents.
Yeah, birthdays.
1 inch of skin.
And wax. Very slightly over 2.5 centimeters, I would say, or is it just about 2.5 centimeters?
Well, guys, thank you very much for watching our video today. It was day 18. Don't forget, we're done with our final week of Waxvent. There's only a few more in mind. Oh, I do. Yeah, I got bobbers. Final. You probably can't see them because they're green and there's a green screen, so it probably just looks like I got a headband on and nothing else. It's just random. There you go. You can see it. So what we're going to do is we're down to our last week. We've got a massive video coming up for you on Christmas Eve with Taylor's as well. He's thoroughly looking forward to voicing that one over. Yes, but as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you for day 19 of Waxvent. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.